welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and
Ammu. Today's curry is delicious, spicy and tangy fish curry. Doesn't your mouth water just thinking about it? Add the right measurements of ingredients for the fish curry and cook it perfectly. The curry will be very flavorful. Let's see how to make this easy and delicious fish curry.
before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
I am using half kg of pomfret fish for this recipe. Take a lemon size of tamarind which is 50 grams and dissolve it with 4 cups of water to make a tamarind pulp. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 4 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of salt and mix it well.
Add salt according to your taste.
Add 8 tablespoons of gingerly oil to a pan and let it heat. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add 1 teaspoon of curry vadam. This is optional. It gives a wonderful aroma. Add half teaspoon of fenugreek, 4 dry red chillies and roast it. Add 200 grams of small onion chopped and saute well. Add a sprig of curry leaves. The fish curry will taste better the next day rather than eating it on the same day.
Yes, fish curry and anything that's made with fish tastes better the next day.
Now add 20 cloves of crushed garlic and saute thoroughly.
Oh, I can smell the aroma of garlic. Is it saute enough?
Yes. Let's add 2 big tomatoes chopped finely and saute until cooks and becomes smooth and mushy.
Ammo, it's sauteed nicely.
The onions and tomatoes have sauteed well. Let's add the tamarind water and let it boil for 15 minutes. Check the salt, spice and taste at this time. The curry needs to boil well. The smell of the turmeric and the spices need to go. The raw smell should go. Only then the curry will taste good. When the oil starts floating on top of the curry at this time, we can add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. After that, add the fish one after another.
Don't stir as soon as you add the fish.
Let it boil for 2 minutes.
Fish will cook quickly. The sankara fish also cook quickly. Therefore, once it boils for just 2 minutes, switch it off and leave it for half an hour in the heat. It will cook well.
Now the gravy has boiled for 2 minutes. We can switch it off. Switch it off and leave it for half an hour. After that you can serve. Let's add some curry leaves and take it aside. Please try making this and using this measurements and instruction. Tell us how it turned out in the comments.
If you like this video, please like, comment and share. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thank you.